So I've come to realize that success in mastering presentation and design modeling techniques starts with one powerful thing: having a clear step-by-step structure. For the longest time, I used to dive deep into projects with a workflow that was messy, undefined, and honestly a bit chaotic. I felt like every project was a lucky draw. Sometimes things worked, but more often than not, I felt stuck and overwhelmed. Then it hit me. I didn't truly understand my own process. Once I took the time to step back, map out my workflow, and create a structure I could stick to, while still allowing a little room for creativity, flexibility, this completely transformed how I approached my work. It became more than just winging it. It had a system that made sense and produced consistent results. What really inspired me was thinking about how surgeons train. A brain surgeon doesn't just rely on instinct. They spend years under the mentorship of experts, mastering foundational skills, learning the latest technologies, and refining their methods over time. Their process is intentional, and it's designed to achieve precision and excellence. I realized I needed to approach my craft in the same way, by learning from specialists and build a structured workflow I could trust. So this is the first part, where we've been chatting about structure in our workflows. In our next email, we'll speak about the next part to gear up and get the results that we need. So super excited to see you there.